Good morning and hello, I'm Professor Code. This is the Forex Supermodel Racing Review and Forex Briefing for Saturday the 15th of April 2023. We didn't have a bet yesterday, so the account's still static at 63 units in profit overall from a peak of about 74.5, so 11.5 units to come off. We're splitting this drawdown, just grab this. Yesterday we were looking at this possible race at Leicester on the flat. 130. It was heavy going, there was only 3 in the race and we thought this Carlton was reasonable, but it was odds on, and there was an FTO in there which won the race at 12-1, which was quite a nice result really. You know, and if we hadn't changed approach we'd have probably had a go at that horse, but it would have been a semi risk return reward sort of bet without any real knowledge of the ability of the first time outer. If you're at the course you could have made a better assessment, but we weren't, so we just let that one go by basically, and that's just the way it goes. It gives you sort of fairly volatile results anyway, swinging around on those sort of bets. So as I said, we're moving towards more lower odds, more controlled betting, most of the lower odds anyway. And today we've had a good look at it. It's National Day, Grand National at the entry. We've had a look at all the racing and we're not happy with it really. There's a lot of nearlies and maybes, and so we're not gonna get involved. So that's where it is now. I've had a word with a few of my racing people who are sort of semi-knowledgeable, and they reckon there's a potential for disruption at the Grand National meeting from climate protesters and animal welfare protesters. So if you are betting at Aintree, just be aware it could well be disrupted, and I'm hoping that the authorities are well aware of this and they will clamp down on it very quickly. But they, you know, our information is that they're trying to make a headline of this and cause disruption, so bear that in mind anyway. Forex, yesterday you had US retail sales and Michigan's consumer sentiment. They came in soft. Arguably you would think that would temper the dollar, but it was viewed opposite. There was a crosswind on all the transmissions, and the transmissions chopped, and it was pretty chaotic trading. We didn't get involved. None of the transmissions kicked in for us, and therefore we didn't. Now looking at the way the market's positioned, it was probably a case of the market had oversold the dollar, and it was just retracing on a Friday, so that's probably where it was, but we didn't get involved in that. We're sort of finalising our approach for getting some Forex videos going at the moment, and we'll keep you posted on that, and it's sort of an ongoing process. So that's where we are there. So the racing's been a bit quiet. We're holding the line at the moment. We're looking for more nailed on bets without to try and get the strike rate up and not have these big drawdowns. So that's where we are. And on the Forex front, as I said, it was a mixed transmission, and with crosswinds on the asset classes. So we stayed out, and that was that. So anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and goodbye.